Good morning. It's Thursday, February 12th, and this is Connecticut Today, CT Insider's daily audio briefing. Catch up on Connecticut. All news, no noise, in under 5 minutes. We're starting off with a quick look at the weather. Be aware of some icy spots this morning, but mostly sunny skies and milder temperatures are expected as the day goes on. We'll have the full weather update at the end of the briefing. In today's headlines, affordability is a top priority for Governor Ned Lamont in the latest legislative session, especially as healthcare costs continue to rise. A recent survey found that more than 3 in 5 Connecticut adults skipped or delayed medical care due to cost in the past year. With the expiration of COVID-era tax credits and changes to Medicaid eligibility, thousands of residents are at risk of losing coverage. Lamont is proposing several initiatives, including a public health insurance option, expanded support for small businesses and independent workers, and efforts to lower prescription drug costs. The proposed legislation is still in the early stages and will be studied for feasibility before any major changes are implemented. A newly released Department of Justice file has revealed that Leslie Groff, a New Canaan resident and longtime secretary to Jeffrey Epstein, was among 10 alleged co-conspirators discussed by federal investigators after Epstein's 2019 arrest. According to the documents, Groff was served a grand jury subpoena in Connecticut. Groff's attorney stated that she was unaware of being investigated as a co-conspirator and was told by prosecutors she was not being prosecuted after voluntarily speaking with them. Groff has denied any involvement in Epstein's sex trafficking network, and prosecutors declined to charge her in 2021. The DOJ file was released following pressure from 2 members of Congress and sheds more light on the investigation into Epstein's associates. The debate over education funding is intensifying as Governor Lamont's budget proposal maintains current funding levels for K-12 education, but does not include major changes to the state's main funding formula. Local leaders and education advocates warn this could lead to staffing cuts, reduced programming, and higher property taxes for towns. The education cost-sharing grant has not increased since 2013. A new report from Disability Rights Connecticut and the Office of the Child Advocate highlights concerns about the placement of students with disabilities in out-of-state private special education schools. The report found that Connecticut places students in these schools at the highest rate in the country, often with little oversight. During a 3-year period, 224 children from 74 districts were sent to private schools in 15 states, costing $75 million. The report cites overuse of restraints and seclusion, unexplained injuries, and a lack of individualized behavior plans. Chef Ellie Parker, originally from Las Vegas, has been crowned the winner of the 24th season of Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, which was filmed at Foxwoods Resort Casino. In the same week, Parker was named a semifinalist for the James Beard Emerging Chef Award. Parker, who will become the next head chef at Hell's Kitchen Foxwoods, described her win as overwhelming in the best possible way. She hopes to inspire the next generation of chefs and plans to continue her culinary journey both in Connecticut and Las Vegas. Connecticut's harsh winter has led some residents to hope for a drop in the state's tick population. However, experts say the dense snow cover has actually insulated ticks from the cold, helping them survive the season. As the snow melts and temperatures rise, ticks are expected to re-emerge as usual. Health officials continue to advise precautions such as tick checks and protective clothing during outdoor activities. And now for the full weather forecast. Icy patches are possible this morning, but mostly sunny skies and a milder stretch of weather are expected across Connecticut. Highs will reach the low to mid-30s with a chilly northwest breeze making it feel colder. The quiet weather pattern should continue into the holiday weekend, with temperatures gradually warming and the possibility of some snow on Sunday night, depending on the track of a nearby storm system. Thanks for listening. For more local news, visit ctinsider.com. This digest was partially generated by AI and then reviewed and edited by our newsroom staff.